my YouTube channel. Let's Talk Procurement, learn and talk supply chains. As the series of the logistics is moving on, today I have another topic: cold chains logistics. So keeping perishable fresh worldwide, how it's possible, and how the vaccinations reach or medicines reach safely without any damages. So we'll go into the cold chain logistics and we will try to understand what is the cold chain logistics. Ever wonder how the sushi stay fresh or how vaccine remain effective during the transport? That's the magic of cold chain logistics. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how temperature sensitive goods travels around the world without any losing quality or safety. What is cold chain logistics? Cold chain logistics is the process of transporting and storing the goods that must be kept at the specific temperature. These products include fresh foods, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, or even flours. Without a cold chain, millions of dollars worth of goods would be spoiled daily. Why is the cold chain logistics so critical? Breaks in the cold chain can lead to the product spoilage, financial loss, health hazards, or even regulatory issue. It's not just about keeping the things cool, it's about preventing quality, efficiency, and safety. So what are the components of the cold chain? Let's discuss and break down the key components that make up the cold chain system. Number one is the cold storage facility, warehouse with temperature control environment. Number two is the refrigerator, transport, truck containers, ships, and aircraft with cold cooling systems. So number three is the monitoring the technology, sensor or IoT device tracking temperature and humidity in real time. Number four is the standard operating procedure. This is called SOPs, proper packing, handling, and backup system to ensure the reliability. These are the major components of the cold chain logistics. Industries that rely on the cold chains. Cold chain logistics supports several vital industries including the food, beverages, dairy, meat, seafood, fresh produce, pharmaceutical, vaccine, insulin, biologics, cosmetic, and chemicals. Managing a cold chain isn't easy. Key challenges include might be high energy costs, equipment failure risk, complex international regulations, last mile delivery disruptions. Cold chain logistics are facing daily basis the challenges, and these are the major challenges what they are facing. Number six is the innovation driving the futures. Thankfully, technology is transforming the cold chain logistics. AI power routes optimizations, real-time GPS temperature trackings, eco-friendly refrigerators, units, blockchain of supply chain transparency. So future tech in action. Cold chain logistics is more than just refrigeration. It's a lifeline of the global trade and public health. Whether it's your favorite ice creams or life-saving vaccines, the cold chain keeps it fresh, safe, and ready for you. The good example, we have COVID-19 and back to a few years. So all the companies are supplying all the vaccination all over the world. The cold chain, I think this is clear to you now that what is the cold chain logistics. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more logistic insights, and comment below please. What cold chain innovations are you most excited about? So thank you for watching this video.